Hey, I'm Cyrus. Welcome to this 5-minute meditation to blow your mind and drop fully into the present moment. Without further ado, get comfortable, allow your eyes to close or keep them open on a spot in front of you, and bring your attention to the sounds in the room around you. Notice the details of the sounds, no matter how quiet they might be. Allow your attention to be absorbed in those details and allow them to soothe your nervous system. And now take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the tingling energy in your hands. Feel that tingling vibration going up your arms, into your chest, down into your stomach, your pelvic floor, down into your upper legs, your lower legs, and feel the tingling in your feet and toes. And now feel that flow of energy travel up your back, starting at your lower back. Feel it ascending into your middle back, your upper back, the back of your neck, the back of your head. Feel the energy at the top of your head, your forehead, the tip of your nose, and your nostrils as the air flows in and out in detail in this moment. Feel yourself calmly, quietly concentrating on the subtle flow of air at the tip of your nostrils as it comes and goes at its own pace. Feel the tactile sensation of your body making contact with the surface that it's resting on, whether that's your back against a chair or your feet on the floor. Feel the point of contact. And feel that dissolving as you feel yourself start to float, the muscles relaxing and allowing yourself to simply exist weightlessly, suspended pleasantly in space, effortlessly feeling this feeling of floating. And now start to sense the stillness in the moment. Notice how there's movement happening on the surface of the moment, but sense the stillness underneath. Don't think, just feel and sense the stillness now. Maintain your connection to this sense of stillness. Deepen your connection to the sense of stillness underneath the movement. Feel yourself entering the zone of timelessness where no time exists and you are simply still and present with everything that's here now. Visualize yourself maintaining this sense of stillness, clarity, and presence moving forward one moment at a time for the rest of your day. And when you feel ready, come back at your own pace, and be sure to practice regularly, including longer sessions, to create this sense of presence and clarity more often and more deeply in your life. Have an amazing day.